Guys, how are you today? So today I'm going to show you another food recipe that you're gonna like, and this is exactly the finish of the recipe, so bear with me.
You are dead to me, 'cause what you said to me cut so deep.
So today we're going to prepare fish fillet. So this fish fillet is not as fresh. This fish is frozen. So as much as possible, I will prepare the food that is healthy than, the usual preparation. So this is a fish fillet. So I use one egg to marinate or to soak the fish, and later I will put some spices, especially oregano. So it's an herb that is really good for the body. So I'm taking care of the elders, and they love to eat. But because I'm out of any recipe, I already prepare different recipes. So I want to find another unique recipe that would change, that would change the original version of the food. So as you can see, I pour oregano, and later on the mixed spices in the fish with egg. So later I will, of course, put breaded mix in the fish. But right now, as you can see, I cover it with a foil, because I have to put that one in the fridge in order for it to be super, like tender and smooth. So that's the secret. So here, the breaded mix that I use has herbs on it. So as you can see, as much as possible, I have to make sure that the food is healthy, especially if you're taking care of elders. They're picky eaters. They want food that is presentable, that is, very unique to their eyes. So I really have to find a way on how to seduce, on how to lure the elders in order to eat. So now I pour olive oil, of course, because we're consuming, like a lot of oil, because here in Spain they always use cooking oil, of course, the best oil. So they're olive oils to cook. So well, if so you put the fire in a high volume, in order to have a good shape, your fish still have in a good shape. So that's the secret. Well, of course, if you do have another like another strategy, then you can do it. So make sure that the oil is really hot. I use the super high, like high fire, but after 1 minute I have to lower down the fire in order for the fish to not get burned. So this is a very simple recipe, but if you have, like clients, or if your kids or one of your families, like are picky eaters, you really have to find another way on how you present the food. So in my type of work, of course, I always cook because I am taking care of the elders. I do have a lot of mixtures, food mixtures in my mind. So this is how you just, cook the fish. Of course, you will soak it in egg with a little bit. Pour a little milk, like milk. The evaporated milk or the natural milk. Just to make, everything smooth. And then later, you cover it with foil or a plastic, food plastic, and then put in the fridge until, like prepare 30 minutes before you cook. So, but if you have a lot of time, then you can just put in the fridge until you're going to cook. So, that's it. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I always hope that you learn new things about, my food preparation. So, the food is just basic and super simple. But to make it, like special, to make it unique, and to make it new, you have to really like a fine and artistic, way on how to present it. So that's already done. And you can also, like put the tissue, under your fish. So there's no oil, it's the excess oil in the food. But I'm using olive oil and it's new, so I don't have a really problem on that. It's okay. So yeah, because it's a little, like brown, I soak it again in egg. But I think it became dirty. But anyway, so this time I have my lettuce. I cut the lettuce in a super fine size, as you can see. And later on, I'm going to spread that lettuce around or in the corner or in the edge of the fish, under the fish. So So there, I already spread the lettuce all over the fish, or like around the fish. And later on, I will put mayonnaise. But I found the mayonnaise in sachet, so I just, like use them in order to be resourceful, because I we don't usually use mayonnaise, but to make it, like presentable, to make it different, I use mayonnaise. But anyway, they always like use mayonnaise in their food, especially the fish. So yeah, as you can see, because I wanted to use another type of mayonnaise, but there's a sachet, then I make it, like I make that one to garnish the finished product. So it's better to use the other one in the bottle to have a very, presentable mayonnaise execution. So that's it, guys. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe in order for you to learn, more things about a food recipe, the simple recipe at home. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye, and hope you had a good time.